Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 9th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily time frame, I'm very convinced that this is a regular flat, especially because of where the wave B turned. Wave B turned right at the 90% Fibonacci retracement of wave A, which is a really good clue that this is likely in a five-wave pattern to the downside for what I think is going to end up being a regular flat. The target for a regular flat is normally the 100%, sometimes the 90%, or the 105. So that gives us a pretty good area to look for a reversal back to the upside. But for now, definitely looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Unfortunately, there's really nothing that I would suggest doing on the shorter time frames as of now, except for patiently waiting for more entries. The places to get short are right here at the end of that three-way pullback, right here at the end of that three-way pullback. If you're not already sorted, I think the only strategy is to be patiently waiting for more three-way pullbacks, more sorting opportunities. Put your Fibonacci retracement on there, look for three-way pullbacks, look for engulfing moves down at Fibonacci levels for more opportunities to go sort. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.